Ubuntu Budgie versus Linux Mint. Which Linux distro is better? Choosing the right Linux distro can completely change how you experience open source computing without compromising usability. We'll look at Ubuntu Budgie's modern interface and Linux Mint's user-friendly design. Ubuntu Budgie and Linux Mint are two popular Linux distributions that cater to different user needs. Ubuntu Budgie focuses on a sleek, modern desktop experience with Budgie Desktop, while Linux Mint emphasizes stability and ease of use with its Cinnamon desktop environment. Ubuntu Budgie is an official flavor of Ubuntu featuring the Budgie desktop environment, known for its clean, elegant design and intuitive layout. It works by combining the stability of Ubuntu's base system with Budgie's lightweight and modern components, offering a smooth user experience. The desktop uses a customizable panel, applets, and a notification center that keeps things organized without clutter. Strengths include a visually appealing interface, efficient resource use, and integration with Ubuntu's extensive software repositories. This makes it ideal for users who want a fresh, minimalistic look without sacrificing performance. However, Ubuntu Budgie may have fewer community resources compared to more established desktops, and some users might find customization options less extensive than other environments. It suits those who appreciate simplicity and aesthetics, and who want a distro that balances modern design with Ubuntu's reliability, making it a great choice for intermediate Linux users and those new to Budgie. Linux Mint is a widely used Linux distribution based on Ubuntu, designed for ease of use and stability. It features the Cinnamon desktop environment, which offers a traditional desktop layout with a familiar start menu, taskbar, and system tray, making it accessible for users transitioning from Windows. Linux Mint works by providing a polished, out-of-the-box experience with pre-installed multimedia codecs and drivers, reducing setup time. Its strengths lie in its stability, extensive community support, and a strong focus on user-friendliness. The distro offers multiple desktop options, but Cinnamon remains the flagship due to its balance of modern features and classic usability. Limitations include a slightly heavier resource footprint compared to lighter desktops, which might affect older hardware performance. Linux Mint is ideal for users seeking a reliable, straightforward Linux experience with minimal configuration, especially those new to Linux or preferring a familiar desktop environment. It's also popular among users who want a stable system for daily productivity, multimedia, and general use without frequent tweaks. Comparing Ubuntu Budgie and Linux Mint highlights their distinct strengths. Ubuntu Budgie offers a sleek, modern interface with a focus on aesthetics and lightweight performance, making it suitable for users who value a visually appealing desktop and efficient resource use. Linux Mint, on the other hand, emphasizes stability and familiarity with its Cinnamon desktop, ideal for those transitioning from Windows or wanting a hassle-free setup. In real-world use, Ubuntu Budgie excels on newer hardware, or for users who enjoy customizing a minimalist environment. Linux Mint shines in stability and ease of use, especially on older machines, or for users who prefer a traditional desktop experience. The trade-off is between Ubuntu Budgie's modern look and Linux Mint's tried-and-true usability. Both benefit from Ubuntu's robust base and software availability, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize design or familiarity. Choose Ubuntu Budgie if you want a modern, elegant desktop with efficient performance and a fresh take on the Linux experience. Opt for Linux Mint if you prefer a stable, user-friendly system with a familiar desktop layout and strong community support. Both distros offer solid Ubuntu foundations, so your decision comes down to whether you want sleek design or classic usability.